My people, today's story na bittersweet. We go see how small disobedience carry big consequences enter world. From peace and paradise to pain and punishment. All because from one bite from one fruit. But even inside the fall, God still show mercy. This na Genesis chapter 3, and if you never hear this gist before, your eye go open today. We go start with Genesis chapter 3 verse 1. Snake when wise pass all animals when God create, come ask the woman, shey God really talk say make una no chop from this garden? Omo, you see how devil twist question. He no attack with knife o, he use words. Deception na devil biggest weapon. For verse 2 to 3, the woman come reply, we fit chop any tree, but that one for middle God say make we no touch am or we go die. Eve try, but she don already dey negotiate. Na from dialogue sin dey start. For verse 4 to 5, snake he come talk say, una no go die. God just no want make una wise like am. Bam! Satan sold out. He paint God like bad person. He say God dey hide something. Be careful who dey talk into your mind. For verse 6, woman see say fruit fine, good for food, and fit make person wise. She chop, give her husband, and him too chop. Just like that. No prayer, no question, just follow feeling. One wrong choice scatter everything. Their eye open. Then see say them naked, them so live join body. Shame enter, guilt land. Sin dey always promise enjoyment, but na disgrace e dey deliver. Verse 8 talk say God dey waka come, they come dey hide. Before na them dey run meet God, but now them dey hide. Sin dey break relationship. For verse 9 to 11, God come ask Adam, where you dey? Adam come talk say, I dey hide because I naked. God ask, who tell you say you naked? You chop the tree? God no shout o. He ask question like loving father when wan help pikin confess. For verse 12 to 13, Adam come blame Eve. Eve come blame snake. Nobody gree take responsibility o. Blame game start from Bible, not be today. Verse 14 to 15, God come curse the snake. You go crawl forever. Your offspring and woman own go fight, but one day a pikin go crush your head. This na the first prophecy of Jesus. Even inside punishment, God planned salvation. God tell woman, you go suffer to born pikin, and all your desire na from your husband, but he go rule over you. Wahala enter family life from there. That na for verse 16. Verse 17 to 19 tell us say God tell Adam, because you hear woman and disobey me, ground go hard for you. You go sweat before you chop until you return back to dust. Omo, work no go dey easy again. Sin affect environment too. For verse 20, Adam call woman Eve, mother of all living things. Even inside pain, Adam still name her with hope. Life still go continue. Verse 21 come tell us say God make them clothes with animal skin. God kill animal to cover their shame. First blood sacrifice. See love o. Verse 22 to 24 God come talk. If them chop tree of life now, then go live forever in sin. So he drive them comot for the garden of Eden, block the way with angel and flaming sword. God no chase them out of wickedness o, na to protect them from eternal damage. Benefit of Genesis chapter 3 verse 1 to 24 to man, even after the fall, be 1. God still dey talk to us. even when we fall. 2. He provide covering for shame. 3. He promise solution wey be Jesus Christ from the very beginning. 4. Work can become tool of growth and purpose. Lessons wey we fit learn from Genesis chapter 3 verse 1 to 24 be say: 1. Temptation no dey loud o. E dey gentle, sweet looking. 2. Disobedience get ripple effect. E dey affect people around you, no be only you. 3. Sin dey bring shame, fear and distance from God. 4. God dey merciful. Even when we mess up, He dey prepare way to fix am. And number 5, e dey good make we dey always listen to God's voice pass every other voice. So my people, you see devil dey use small lie cause big fall, but God no give up on us o. From Genesis, He already dey plan Jesus to come redeem us. If you feel say you don fall or mess up, hear this: God still dey call you. Where you dey? Drop for the comment section, say, Lord, cover my shame. If this one touch your heart, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because this journey never end o. Na from here redemption story start.